Yo, what's up, people, man? Hey, for those of you that's up this early in the morning, this is what I've been waiting for. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Guys, stay level-headed. Um, the market is doing its thing, man. It's a few reasons as the quote-unquote cause of this, but remember, this is our opportunity. I know a lot of people are sleeping right now. This market does this um, at at certain times of day. Everybody's sleep right now. The market is crashing, right? This is what I've been saying every time I come on this stream and I say the market is starting to go up, and I don't like to buy that. This is why. This is also why I tell people to use throwaway money when they invest. This will literally scare the entire hell out of you. What's up, pretty brown eyes? Just saying. Juicy fruit, you up. Good. Um, I expect a total bloodbath in about uh 40 minutes in this market. If you guys check your portfolios, it's looking real ugly to most. It spells opportunity to me. Okay. This is why I do not buy the market when it rises. Okay. I told you guys I will be here to show you what I do. If you think you're losing money in your portfolio, just imagine how much money I just lost in my portfolio. Or really did I? Right? Remember, I always tell you it's not about the money, it's about the ownership of these key assets. Okay? We must remember that. Take your brain off the money. Um, Before I started this stream, I set the stream at for like 310 or something. I was in the market buying shit. I just spent my money. Right? This is what I want. This is what I like. I like this. Right? The opposite of the rest of the world. This is why the rich people are making money right now. They waking up and looking at this and they are jumping on this opportunity. Okay. Um, just don't worry about it. This is why I come on. I told you I'll be here. What's going on? Why I'm even watching this is because I'm at work today. We working at night. We got a nighttime job. I normally don't work at nights, but they had a nighttime job because we're doing like a very main highway, and they don't want nobody to get hurt out here during the daytime. But remember, guys, stop thinking about money. The love of money is the root to all evil. You will lose your mind watching this. We're watching this in real time. Okay, this is happening in real time. If anybody does not have a portfolio, you can follow along with me. I'm not at my house, so I can't pull anything up on this computer, but I can tell you what literally is going on. Okay, what's up, Diane Osborne? Appreciate you. Juicy fruit in this thing. Pretty brown eyes. Just saying, right? It's not that many people awake right now. This is how they hit you, like a thief in the night. You know, this is called liquidation, right? This is a part of the game. This is the part of the game that people don't like because people too attached to money. Okay, you're too attached to money. You're not thinking about ownership. Okay, ownership is the key to wealth, not money, right? Um, if for those of you who don't remember, I had 9,187 XRP. Today I have 10,000 XRP. See how I'm getting happy about that? Right. I got more. I got 10,000 now today. I just bought it just now. I looked, I said, oh yeah, right? Instantly, I was like, oh yeah, I don't care what's going on in the world, right? I don't care what the problem is. What I remember, what I remember is this right here. And you guys need to remember this as well.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
Okay? You remember that? Make sure you remember that. When you're looking at all this turmoil going on in the market, you start to panic and you start to say, oh my God, what's going on? What's going on? Did you just hear what Donald Trump said? Right? Okay, we know crypto is not going anywhere. That's number one. The market will always recover. Okay, that's number two. Number three, if you're using throwaway money that you don't need, that you would have threw in the toilet, that you would have went and blew on some sneakers, you shouldn't give a damn if the market is going down, because you still have money to go and spend and have fun and hang with your family. This should be no concern to you whatsoever. My biggest concern is I need to buy more. That's my biggest concern, because remember, ownership is the key to wealth, right? Ownership, not money. So now I was able to buy more XRP for a cheaper price, and now I'm sitting on 10,000 XRP tokens, which is not a lot. I know more people have than that. And also, I also got some XLM. I got 5,000 XLM tokens. They are like 6 or 7 cents. I'm going to look at it right now. I'm going to look and we're going to talk about this. I'm going to go to Coin Market Cap, right? And if for those of you who want to follow along, go on your phone or on whatever device you got, go look at Coin Market Cap, okay? All right, I'm pulling it up right now. All right, the Coin Market Cap is telling me Bitcoin is down 13% in 24 hours. The price is $52,000. Then we just look at this price as $67,000 the other day. Wasn't I saying, hey guys, I'm not buying this shit. The market is going up. I don't like to buy that. This is when biz like to buy right now, right? People might tell you the market is crashing. I beg to differ, because all of these prices were way lower than that a year ago, right? Bitcoin was sitting at $17,000. So is it crashing, or is this a black swan event, right? They call this a black swan event. This is something that's unexpected, that never happens. I mean, that nobody saw coming, and it just tanks the market like this. And why is it happening? Somebody explain to me, right? Why is the market doing this in the middle of the night when most people are asleep? Explain this shit to me. It doesn't make any sense now, does it? Right? This is a tactic when you wake up in the morning to scare the ever-loving hell out of you, and then make you second guess yourself on what are you buying. Okay? You get to second guessing yourself based off of emotion, based off of your brain telling you, oh my God, I'm losing money, right? This is what your brain is telling you. You're forgetting about this.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA it's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
See, I remember he said that today, right? When he was giving his speech, I didn't buy anything, right? I said I wasn't buying anything. Yesterday, I bought some. I told you guys I was buying. I bought a little bit. And what did I say? I said, yesterday, I said, I will buy a little bit now and I will wait to see if the market has any more downward pressure before I decide to add any more. I'm not worried about the money. I'm down like 4 grand today. So, right? Remember, we invest for the future in the first place, right? And I'm using all throwaway money, right? So when I get my paycheck and that $100 a week, that $200, whatever I decide to put in that week, they lucky I don't get paid tomorrow. I might dump $1,000 in this motherfucker because I'm looking at this as all opportunity. Okay, all of it is opportunity because all it's doing is scaring the hell out of people. All of those people that were buying at those high levels, those are the ones that's absolutely nervous as hell right now. Me, I've been in this before. This has happened to me before. You remember something called the donut shop? When that came, the markets absolutely were destroyed. But guess what? That was the best time to buy because after that, it was all up, right? These type of things happen in this market. You must not worry about this shit. Let me check what the chat doing. Juicy Fruit said, "Do you think it will go lower?" Um, it might. The damage is done. I'm talking about this is like one of the worst days since the pandemic, right? So you got Bitcoin down at $52,000 according to Coin Market Cap. It went lower. I actually saw it at 51,000 and some change, right? I thought it would drop to 55,000. It smooth took that out. It just went smack down past that. Now we at 51,000. Okay. Now the next level of resistance, I mean support would be at 48,000. That's that's all we worried about. Remember, I don't care about this money today. This ain't for today. This is for 5 years from now. So all of this is opportunity. I'm using throwaway money. My lights are still on in my house. I still got gas in my car. My kids just ate. Matter of fact, got them Chipotle last night. You know what I'm saying? I'm not taking anything away from my life. I'm using throwaway money. I am mad that I don't have more money to throw away because I'm thinking that this like, wow, this is opportunity like shit. So what did I do? Soon as I saw it, I went and I bought some shit. I don't give a damn. If it go down lower, guess what? I'm going to buy some more, right? Because I'm using throwaway money. I'm going to get more angry that I don't have any more money to put in here, right? That's what's going to make me mad. Not that the market is going down, not that I woke up and my portfolio is down $4,000. I don't care about that because it will reverse and it will go up again, whether it happens now or a year from now. The market will rise again. Do not get consumed with all this nonsense that you see going on in this market. I don't give a damn what causes it, what causes the crash. Okay. Tomorrow you're gonna wake up. It's gonna be a bloodbath in the stock market. All these people gonna be acting like little babies, little bitches. They're gonna be crying. And we are not doing that. Okay. We are gonna stay focused, understand the assets that we're buying. All right. Take the emotion out of it, understanding that markets are very liquid. People act off of impulse. Okay. They see the market drop like this. They're like, oh my God, it's going to crash lower. And you know what they do? They sell at a loss. They sell at a loss. And the next thing you know, the market goes up and they say, you know what? I'm giving up. Why are you doing that? It's telling me you over leveraging yourself. You got too much exposure in the markets. Your emotions are getting the best of you. You too busy worried about your money. That means you put too much money in here that you're not willing to lose. Number one rule: invest with money you don't care about. Throw away money. That way, when this type of stuff happens, which it will happen in your lifetime, you will see this type of stuff again. When this type of stuff happens, you are level headed and you understand what is going on. Okay. Now, I'm looking at this news and I'm like, what the hell is going on? We got Cortez in this thing. Salute to the real. Al Dizzle said it dropped to 48,500. Wow. You see, I didn't even see that, Al Dizzle. When I got up, that joint said, when I checked it, that joint said 51. I said, oh my God, what the hell is going on? And then I looked around, I seen XRP sitting at 46 cents. I said, oh, hell no. Buy instantly. It's not. Oh, I didn't even check to see how much I was down first. I just looked, oh shit, 46 cents. Let me get some. Then I look at my portfolio. God damn, I'm getting smacked around here. You know? So at the same time, I'm getting smacked around, right? If you think your portfolio is down, my portfolio is down probably more. And if I think my portfolio is down, imagine a guy that got millions of dollars in this, but he's been through this. He just woke up this morning and lost $5 million. You think he care? What I'm telling you is the guy that is willing to put this much money in the market is on the buy side right now. This is the opposite of what you think is logical, right? A lot of people want to buy the market as it's rising. I've been on here every day saying I'm not buying this shit. I'm just stacking my buying power. I'm just stacking my buying power, waiting for my opportunity. Well, this is if I don't buy now, when do I want to buy? When it goes to 25 cents? How about this? How about I buy it now and I buy it again when it go to 25 cents and I buy it again when it go to 10 cents and next thing you know I got 300,000 tokens and the next time it go up I'm rich. It can't go down enough for me, right? I am straight. My life is good. I got a good job. I'm at work right now, chilling, talking to you guys, right? My life is good, man. I'm not upset with the movements in this market. It doesn't make me angry. Okay. It say, yeah, hit my limit order. Yep. It say it dropped. I never knew about this. Thanks. Right. That's what's up. You know, this is why I'm on here. This is why I come on here and I want to help people that don't have any understanding before they go losing their fucking brain cells over money. Right. They want to lose their fucking mind because of money. And that's not what you're supposed to do. This is a long-term approach here. We don't give a damn about today. Okay. I don't care about yesterday. I don't care about next month. I care about 5, 10 years from now where this market gonna be. What happens when the election cycle comes around and the market start pumping again and you wish that you could see these prices, right? Don't go with the sentiment. Do the opposite of the herds. The opposite of the herd. The herd right now is doing what? Selling. The herd right now is selling into this madness. And I'm not. I'm buying this madness. If it goes lower, I'm gonna buy more. I spent like maybe $250 just now. And I'm just telling you what I did. I'm not telling you what you do. This is my hobby, right? You just along for the ride. You just listening. It's entertainment purpose only. You get me? You're not about to sue the shit out of me. But I just spent $250 in this market, right? Why? Because I know one day it's gonna come back up, and that $250 might be worth $1,000 that I just put in there. Thank God for the $250 that I had in my buying power. This is what I'm talking about. You guys need to pay attention, okay? This is real life shit right here. We got Ethereum sitting at $2,300, right? Let's go look at this Ethereum chart because I heard somebody say it went down to 2,100. Let me see if it did that. Absolutely. It went down to $2,171. So $2,171. This is as low as it went to, right? Right now we at $2,348, right? The market is rising back again. It might drop again, right? Now, that's Ethereum. right? Let me see. All right, so we got BNB is down 16%. Ethereum is down 18% in one day. Wow, that's amazing, right? These are sales off the break. Solana is down 13%. XRP is down 14% in one day, right? Dogecoin is down 16%. Cardano 88 is down 14%. AVAX is down 16%, right? I'm talking about the entire market is taking a damn trash, right? This is to scare all the new people out. I'm trying to tell you exactly what they're doing, right? How the hell does everybody and their mother wake up and sell at the same time? I always had a problem with that. I'm like, yo, so you telling me these people got a switch or something, they just flip? Because there's no way in the hell that the whole world is selling at the same time. First of all, America is asleep right now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning in Cali, and it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. America is asleep, right? When America starts to wake up, America is gonna get scared. You might get a little bit more downward pressure, right? But why wait for that? Is my key. That was my thing, right? I see this 46 cent now. I'm gonna buy it right now. What happens if it go to 40 cent? Okay, Biz, you just gonna buy some more. If it go down to 35 cent, what you gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna buy some more because I'm never gonna forget the fact. Okay, it's a purity fact. This right here.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
I remember he said that. Right? I was excited listening to him when he said it, but I didn't buy nothing because I knew the market would pump. I don't buy that shit. When the market is pumping like that, I do not buy it. When I'm looking at this market and it dropped 18%, that's a lot. Okay. And and while we sleep, while we supposed to be sleep, I'm almost happy that I got work at night today. So I was able to see this. Right? Because I would be asleep right now. You get it? This is a game. This is a game. It's a mental game. Do not forget, crypto ain't going anywhere. Don't forget that shit. Don't forget the stock market ain't going nowhere. Don't forget that shit. You're buying assets. You're not buying emotion, right? You get excited. You get that euphoria when you see your money going up, right? Then you get the lows when your money go down. You're like, oh my God, right? You see how it plays with your emotion? But if you could conquer that right there, that's why I always say throw away money. Because if you was gonna put $100 in a slot machine, you lose it all at the same time. Right? If you put $100 in, let's say Bitcoin, when it was at 67,000, Bitcoin ain't go to zero. You still got some change left. You might have put $100, it might be worth $40. You might have lost $60. You know, I'm just using random numbers. Say you lost $60, you still got 40 right there. You ain't lose it all. You know. Now, if you add to that, once it recovers and go back up, now you made more money than you did the first time. Instead of waiting for the market to recover, and then you get right back where you was at the last time. The next time the market recovers, you got more money than you had the last time, right? I had 9,100 XRP. Now I got 10,000. If this bitch go lower, I'm gonna have 15,000. You get it? This is what I'm thinking. This is how I'm thinking right now. I'm not using that emotional mindset. I'm being logical. Is Bitcoin going to zero? No. Is Bitcoin here to stay? Yes. And all these people talking about Bitcoin right now? Yes. Are they talking about tokenizing assets? Yes. The market is crashing. Let me buy more. My kids gonna love me because of this shit. My grandkids gonna be like, yo, my great granddad was a genius, right? Because he did not follow the herd. There's no way that all these people sold at the same time. It's total bullshit. For every asset, okay, every every asset on the damn market just drop at the same time like that. I'm talking 15%, 18%. Something ain't right, right? I don't need to read a news article to see what's going on. I can see what's going on. Something ain't right. But I'm gonna get in where I fit in at, right? I'm gonna get in where I'm fitting at. It might take a while to recover and get back to where we were just at. That gives you more time to continue to purchase, right? I told myself anything under 50 cents, I'm on it. Like I said, I just put $250 in there today. I wish I had $2,000. I'm just being honest. You know, this type of move right here make me want to go get a loan. They don't hear me though, but I'm not gonna get a loan because that's real risky. It can continue dropping lower, but the lower it drop, the more I'm gonna own, the more ownership I'm gonna have. I'm thinking about the asset. I'm not thinking about the price. Okay, so let's see, why is this market dropping? Let's see what the news say. Right? Let's see what they say. Okay, let me see if I got that pulled up right here. Okay, I got it on my phone. Say, why is the crypto market down today? This is posted 45 minutes ago. The key reasons behind the bloodbath on Satoshi Street. None of this shit matters to me. I'm just being honest. Before I even read this shit, right? None of this matters to me. Only thing matters to me is that I can get my assets for cheaper. I can buy more for cheaper. That's the only thing that matters to me. I pretty much don't care why why the market is dropping because that really don't matter. It didn't matter if a war broke out. It didn't matter if it was another pandemic. It didn't matter if the stock market was hit by a terrorist attack. It don't matter. I don't give a damn about none of that. I want the money. I'm looking for the cheapest price I could get. That's what I want. Am I buying solid assets? Absolutely. So when you start to see the entire market drop like that, you know that it's not one thing that caused it. It's not Bitcoin. No, it's not XRP. No, it's not Ethereum. No, it's nothing went fundamentally wrong with any of these companies, any of these programs, any of these projects, right? Nothing went fundamentally wrong. It's something in the micro economy, the macro environment, right? That's causing this to push you down like this. It doesn't matter to me at all. Stay level headed. Stay level headed. Understand what you're buying. You're buying assets that have value, right? You're buying assets that have value. You're gonna the market opens, the stock market pre-market opens in about 10 minutes, 13 minutes. It's 3:47, right? Yeah, oh my God, you're gonna see a reaction in the pre-market. And people gonna panic. In the stock market, stock market is closed right now, right? It's gonna drop. I could just imagine waking up, Clean Spark gonna be under $10 probably. So remember, I was buying at $2, and I already took profits at $20. You see why I take profits? You see why I take profits? When the market is pumping like that, I take profits off the table. I want to sell into that pump, take the profits off the table because I'm the one with the courage to buy now, to buy when it drops, when these dumbass emotional people want to sell, but they can't tell me that is what's happening right now. Because like I said, America is asleep. America waking up in 10 minutes. And in the pre-market, it's not even that many people trading around 9 o'clock. What's tomorrow? Monday? Ah, we'll see how the market reacts. But I'm taking advantage of this opportunity now. A lot of people do this right here. Let me tell you what a lot of people do. They be like, oh, the market is down. I'm gonna see if it goes lower. I'm gonna see if it goes lower. And then that thing don't never go lower. and they turn around and go back up, and you never add it because you're waiting for it to go lower a few pennies. You're waiting for it to go lower a few dollars. You waiting for a few dollar move when you see opportunity right in front of your face. 24 hours ago, we were up $60,000. Now we looking at this at 51. Take that opportunity. Don't dump all your money in there because it very well can go lower, right? And you take that opportunity as well. Once we start to rise, I'm not touching it. I'm gonna let it go up. I'm not buying into strength. I'm selling into strength. I'm buying into weakness. Okay. Do the opposite of everybody else, right? Emotional motherfuckers. Now, because the market crash, can I go put my house for sale right now and go sell it? No, because you know why? It's going to take at least 90 days to sell it. You're going to have to get the house ready, clean it out, put new carpets, all that shit, get everything right, get the lawn done, all that shit. Then you got to find a buyer. Then the buyer got to get approved, go through the bank and all that shit. You see how come house market don't crash and so fast? You see why? Because it's a process to sell it. With any kind of liquid asset like a stock or a crypto or something, you can sell that at a blink of an eye. I could go right now and push sell everything. And I don't have to wait for a seller. I don't have to wait for any of that shit. That's why the market moves the way it moves. It's so much people in the market buying and selling, everybody's emotions involved. Everybody gets so happy when the market's going up. I don't like when the market go up. I get upset when the market go up because I gotta pay higher price and I'm pissed. I don't want to pay it. I don't like it. I don't want to see the market go up. I want to see the market go down. You get it? Stay focused, man. Stay focused, man. Don't let your emotions overtake you. If I'm trying to tell you, I am trying to tell you from experience. If you guys been watching me, I clean spark. I was down like $9,000, and I was buying, 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 buying. When the market recovered and it went up, I was the one $70,000 in the profit. Okay, I was doing what nobody else wanted to do, what everybody was scared to do. And people would say, but it might go lower. It might go down 25 cents lower. I'm like, yo, y'all fucking crying over a quarter for real? 25 cents lower? Fuck that. Let me get what it is right now. If it go lower, then I'll buy more. The same attitude that I'm using right now. We haven't seen this type of turmoil in the market since the pandemic. So let me see what's causing this. I was reading this article. It say recently the bloodbath in Satoshi Street has hit all crypto assets hard. That right there makes me like really all of them. So everybody that own Ethereum, everything just sold it all at the same time, right? That what you trying to tell me? Get the fuck out of here. There's some bullshit going on. You know what I'm saying? It say Bitcoin dropping nearly 20% from its $70,000 high and many altcoins falling by 50% or more. This sharp decline is the result of several factors coming together, creating a perfect storm of market troubles. Here are the key catalysts, right? Geopolitical tensions. How did I know that was something to do with that? It say geopolitical tensions are also significant with rising conflicts impacting investor sentiment. Okay, as geopolitical issues escalate, they create additional challenges for the cryptocurrency market, further impacting its stability. Blah, blah, blah. Right? All of this is pointless to me, but I'm going to read it anyway because that's what a lot of people want to understand why it's happening and all that. I don't care about none of that. And they going to say why it's happening. They can write anything right here. Their job is to sell articles. Their job is to get people to click on their stuff so they can make money and revenue off the ads on their articles. It's always something to talk about every day in the business world, isn't it? Right? They want to drive traffic to their channels. These markets don't matter to me. Um, I told you I saw some turmoil when we was at 74,000. The news ain't had to tell me shit. I was looking at the chart. I seen a gravestone doji candle. I told you that's a bad candle. Right now, it's looking like the gravestone doji candle is winning. So it's doing what it do. This is why I had the buying power. This is why I preach that. When the market is up, don't I don't buy. I put it in my buying power and I just let it sit there. Next week, I just keep adding to the buying power because either way, if it's in the asset or not, it's still like a savings account because 100 goes to 200, then it goes to 400, then it goes to 800. If this market continues to rise forever and I keep putting $100 in there a week, that means I'm saving money. My portfolio gonna go up either way. You see? So I don't care about none of that. I do that because of days like this. Who gonna tell me on a Sunday in the middle of the damn night the market just crashed like that? Now what happens? Most people just coming back from vacation, or they had a nice weekend with their family. They sound asleep. They're getting ready for work in the morning. You know what I'm saying? They're not thinking about this. They wake up like, oh my god, hey honey, our fucking portfolio is crashing. Man, that's enough of that. I can't take it anymore. Sell it. I'm like, why you put all that money in there that you don't need? I mean, that you need, that you worried about it so bad. Why you got most of your net worth in there? Then you don't understand you invest with throwaway money. That way you take all the emotions out until you get a more experience, and then you go more risky, you know. Um, what up, honey 69? Appreciate you. What should you invest in? I just talk about the investments I have. I can't give out financial advice telling you what to invest in. That's against the law, especially I'm not a financial advisor, so that's against the law. I would just tell you just I'm buying what I'm buying. You know what I'm saying? That way you can do this on your own. Prolific P, appreciate you pulling up. I'm invested in um XRP, Crow coin. Crow is at like, let me look at that. I think Crow was at like 6 cent. What? It was just at 18 cent. You understand? So you're gonna tell me it's going to zero? You think it's going to zero? No. The closer it gets to zero, the better it is for me because I can buy more while everybody else cry. You cry while I buy. Because in the market, I like to explain it this way. When the market starts to crash like that, you can't fight it, right? You either can do two things: you can run or you can buy. I look at the money as ammunition, like bullets, right? So when the market start pissing me off, I just want to throw more money at it because that's all you can do, right? My money is my bullets. That's the way I fight back. Oh yeah, you want to go down? Take that. You want? Oh, you still want to go down? Take that. Then when it go up, you get a euphoria feeling. You like, yo, I'm making a lot of money. You see where the emotions come in at, and it mess with your mind. You think you're making a lot of money, but you at any flip of a switch, it could take a liquidity crisis or whatever the hell the headline is. Whatever the reasons is, I'm looking at, yo, this asset was just 60 cent the other day. Right now, I'm looking at it's 46 cent. I didn't want to buy at 60 cent. Why wouldn't I buy at 40 cent? I'm buying this shit. Right? That's how I'm rolling. It's safe for sure, G. It's understood. Appreciate the game. Yo, absolutely, big dog. I could just tell you what I'm invested in. XLM is another one I've been invested in. It's the same as XRP. It's just person to person. And XRP is dealing with bank to bank, bigger transactions. So they're both similar. Um, what else I own? I own a little bit of Shiba Inu. Man, Shiba Inu getting smacked around. It was at like 11. I was almost tempted to buy some more of that, but I'd rather get the XRP because I wanted a goal of 10,000 tokens. I think anybody that been watching me know I've been saying that, right? Now guess what? My goal is accomplished. I got 10,000. But I now is whatever the market gonna tell me what I need to do. Okay, it's a market and recession fear grip. Okay, recession fears are another crucial element as economic indicators suggest a potential downturn. Investors are becoming more cautious, leading to sell-offs in various asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. Right, the SAHM, the SAHM rule recession indicator has surpassed the 0.50 threshold, historically signaling the beginning of a recession in the U.S. economy. Okay, so at 1:30 in the morning, everybody just now realized we about to go in recession, and then everybody just woke up and pushed sell at the same time. Whatever. You see, like I'm like, bruh, okay, all right. And the next thing is say yen unwin a global impact. Hold on, I seen somebody Al Dizzle right here. He know what he be talking about. It say it's China markets, they raise interest rates. Okay, so that's a good reason. I'm reading that. All right, it say it's China markets, they raise interest rates. Okay, so he's saying the China economy is causing this. That's what Al Dizzle is saying, and I kind of trust Al Dizzle. I might read about it here shortly. The yen, yeah. Well, they talking about the yen, so hey, he's right. Hey, he's 100% right. Salute to Al Dizzle, man, my boy Al Dizzle. All right, it say moving on. The recent drop in the crypto market can partly be traced back to the Bank of Japan. This is right on it. Decision to raise interest rates from 0% to 0.25%. This change, the first rate hike in years, has increased the cost of maintaining leverage investments funded by cheap yen. As a result, investors have no funds left to invest in crypto assets, causing ripples of instability across financial markets, including cryptocurrencies. So Al Dizzle is right. That is definitely a reason they're listing. And it makes right now to me that is probably the main reason. All this other stuff, this geopolitical tensions. We always got geopolitical tensions. They always can say that. We always about to fight with somebody. So that's how America rock. You know, that's how we become America. We like to fight and take shit from people, for lack of a better word. That's how we the bully. We pull up, get down and lay down. You gonna do what we say, or we gonna make you. That's how USA rock. You know what I'm saying? That's how we got to where we are as a global power. It's a Gox just distributions, the longer awaited Mount Gox, whatever that means. Distributions are putting additional pressure on the market as former creditors begin receiving their payouts. Some are opting to sell their Bitcoin, increasing this bullshit because Bitcoin ain't the only one went down. So okay, that's another reason they listen. Oh my God, here we go with this. Another factor in the crypto crash is the growing chance that Kamala Harris could defeat Donald Trump in the November election. Blah blah blah, because it ain't just the crypto market. Watch and well, the stock market is open right now. It's 402. Let me change gears and look at this damn market. Let me see what's going on over here. My portfolio. Oh my God. Mm, mm. So I'm down 8 bands. The stock market just opened at pre-market. Clean Spark just dropped all the way to $11. I love it. Right. I love this. This is the game they play with people's brain. And my portfolio just went down in my stock portfolio $4,206. Soon as the market opened, that shit just went down. Boom. Jesus Christ, right? That'll make somebody lose their mind. So I'm down 4 grand in the crypto market, and I'm down 4 grand in the stock market. That's $8,000. I'm down right now. Boom. And I'm ready to buy more. because the next time it goes back to where it was just at, I'm gonna be up more than what I was up the last time. That's all I could think is the upside. I don't care about this downside shit because remember that money is in there. Is I don't need it. That's why it's in there because it's not in my bank account. The money I need is in my bank account that I can use right now while we living. Right. The money I don't need is in there. That's why it's in there. So if it goes down or up, it really doesn't bother me. I want to buy more, right? I wish I could buy more Clean Spark at $3. I'm just telling the truth. Do I think it's gonna go there? No. I think this $11 range is a good buying opportunity. Would I wait to see if it goes to 9? No. I will buy some at 11 and buy some at 9. You budget your money, you know. Remember that 250 I just put in there today. Remember, I had 400 in my buying power. I bought some the last time the market dropped, just a while ago. The market was starting to drop 2 days ago, and I purchased some on that. And I said it. I'm not putting everything in here because it could go down lower. Then I woke up this morning. I seen it went down way lower. I put everything I had in my buying power. My buying power say 0 right now, right? But guess what? They better not let this market stay this low till when I get paid again, because I'm gonna buy some more shit, right? By Friday, they better push this market back up, or I'm gonna get more ownership. That's how I look at it, right? And then the next Friday, I'm gonna get more ownership. The next Friday, I'm gonna get more ownership because I'm just using throwaway money. And what happens is, right? The only regret that I always have is that I didn't buy more. Period. Point blank in the discussion, right? I actually sold some options on Clean Spark, so that's kind of like that's my options are gonna hit. I'm gonna win those options. I sold $22 options by August 9th. I did that a month ago. I'm gonna teach you guys about these options here shortly, um, because I think you guys might. Some people that everybody that has 100 shares, you gotta have at least 100 shares of a company in order to start selling options, but you can buy options. You don't need any ownership. You could just buy the option, but 90% of options expire worthless. This is why I like to sell them, right? I tell you the strategies that I use, right? I made like $600 because I sold some $22 options. I sold those options when Clean Spark was sitting at $17 though, right? And they were selling for $92. I was able to sell them for $92 for each contract. And I sold, well, it was like $95, but the price was like 92 because of slippage or whatever. So, right, I was able to sell contracts at $92 when the market was at $17. Right now, the market is at 11. There's no way it's going to $22, right? By August 9th, which is this week, right? By this Friday, that shit better be at $22. If not, I keep all that. And that money, that $500 that I made, I just put it back into the investment, you know, put it back into a different investment because that's free money. That doesn't buy. I don't take it out and spend it or nothing. I just reinvest that, and then now I won't be playing too many options because the stock is too low. Right. Once they go back up, I'll start selling more options again. Right. So stay focused, man. Don't let these people trick you out your money. Fuck the money. Don't let these people trick you out your ownership. Right? Ownership is the key to wealth. They hope you sell. Because isn't it funny? Every time you push that sell button and somebody buying it, you you ever thought about that? Like every time you push sell, that shit is sold right away. What's up with that? Right? The rich people don't give a damn. They got so much money that they don't care. And that's what you gotta take. You gotta use that logic, that same logic. Like if I'm down this, how much is Elon Musk down today? If I'm down this, how much is Warren Buffett down today? Right? I just saw an article. Um, Somebody sent me this article. It was about Warren Buffett selling Apple stock. Right? He sold $50 billion in Apple stock. Get that through your head. He sold 50 billion. Ah, holy shit. He sold $50 billion in Apple stock. And you worried about, and I'm worried about 8 grand, right? I'm worried about losing $8,000. That puts it all in perspective right there. That just put it all in perspective. So you telling me this dude got that much money in the market and he ain't tripping? So why I ain't got no money in this market? Am I crazy? Or is he crazy? It say he sold a lot of his Apple stock, but I think he's just reallocating his Apple stock. What's up, Bolo? I see you pulled up, man. You up? You Bolo be up late. Super Dave in the building. Neva, appreciate you guys, man. Y'all be up. Y'all be up, man. So the market is doing this dumb thug gizzle thing, and I ain't tripping off of it. I'm down a lot of money today, but am I really down money or what? You remember, guys? I sold half of my position at $20 of CleanSpark. I made um $20,000 out the deal, for more than that, because I sold some at $10 too when it went up. I had 4,000 shares. I sold 2,000 of them. Profit like 30 grand. The money that's in there now is free money. It's playing with itself. So I'm gonna let that money do what it do and just leave it alone. If CleanSpark drops under $10, it'll be hard for me not to buy. I'm just being honest. It'll be very hard for me not to buy if this thing drop down. Let's see. Okay, it's a maintenance, all right, whatever. Okay, let's look. Do. So we got, man, bloodbath. I'm talking about bloodbath. Netflix down, Vanguard, Vanguard down, Facebook down, Microsoft down, Visa down, Apple down, Tesla is down 5%. Coinbase is down 12%. Coinbase is down 12%. Okay. Look at this. JP Morgan Chase, the bank stock, is down 3%. PMC is down 3%. Google is down 4%. Right? The entire stock market is in red. How? How, Sway? How does everybody that owns all these companies wake up and decide to sell it all at the same time? Riot, blockchain, Riot platforms is down 10%. SoFi, the bank I like SoFi Bank. I'm just put that out there. I got a bank account with SoFi. I encourage people to open at least a savings account or a checking account with them. It's pretty good. All right, SoFi is all digital. Their stock is down to $6. Well, it's lower than that because it's down 5% pre-market. Let's see what SoFi stock price is. $6.32. All right. I'm talking about everything is down. Everything, man. And this don't make no sense to me. It don't. I never figured this out. How is this possible? You know, how is this able to go up and down like this? I be looking at this. I'm like, man, this doesn't make any sense for everything to go down at once. It's almost like they're dropping it on purpose so the rich people could get in. It's almost like they got a group text or something like, yo, man, flip that switch tomorrow. I'm trying to make some money. Because other than that, it's beyond me. I'm talking about everything. It's not nothing in this market that's green. Nothing. Explain that shit to Biz. Somebody. Everybody just sold all their shit at once. It don't make any sense. They use whatever excuse they want to use. So the Chinese people raise interest rates that make everybody in the world go crazy, right? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. It don't make no sense. So stick with your logic, right? Remember that cryptocurrency is here to stay. Remember that stocks are these companies are it's nothing to do with the companies. It's obvious. So Tesla didn't do anything wrong, and their stock is down. Microsoft, Amazon, everything. They didn't do anything wrong. The company is still fundamentally sound. The projects that you own are still fundamentally sound. This is opportunity, and it's opportunity to anybody who wants to take that opportunity. Understanding it's a risk with that opportunity. You know, it's a risk you can go lower. Understanding that. Remember, I don't care about that lower shit. I care about ownership. That ownership is what drives me. Ownership. Because anybody worth any kind of money, any rich person in the world worth anything, they got one thing in common. They all got shit they own. They all got ownership and assets. Every one of them. And I'm trying to be like them. So I'm gonna take my little yellow tail and go buy and go get and obtain some more ownership for the low. That's how I'm looking at it. Right. And when it goes up, I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna get upset because it's going up. I always do. But it does make you feel nice when you're looking at your money grow, right? The same way it make you feel bad when your money go down. If you take that out of it and stick with your logic, that is the hardest part about investing. I'm trying to tell you. This is the hardest part right here. Can you stomach this type of shit? Can you wake up and be down 8 grand? Not in one portfolio, because I was down 9 grand in just one company. That was CleanSpark. And then the next thing you know, I was up 70,000. Right? Had I sold into that negative pressure, I'd have lost that opportunity in my face. You know, so um this check any day is supposed to clear with these people coming to do this easement on my house and put this water line in my house. And boy, they better, I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to tell you, I'm gonna be loaded over here if this once this check clear from them doing this easement on my house, putting this water line on a section of my property I don't even use, right? They better hope this damn check don't clear while this market like this. Cause they gonna wake up, they gonna say, yo, damn, Biz got goddamn 50,000 XRP tokens. Yep, yes I do. Yes, the hell I do. Cause that means every time I go up a penny, I'm gonna make 5 grand. No, I don't think it's 5 grand. I think I'm exaggerating. It'd be like $500 every time I move a penny if I had 50,000 shares. That's a lot of money though. So guys, I told you I'm gonna be right here to help you understand my thoughts, what I'm thinking, and all that. So let me see what's going on in this chat while everybody's here. I know y'all probably sleeping. Y'all ain't trying to chat and type of shit. It's definitely an excellent way to look at it, Bolo. You know, it's definitely. All right, Honey 69, you one of them investors. Remember you told me you bought something at like $20, and I was like, hold it. Now you down half of your money. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? You can't cry about it. You know that's why you put that throwaway money in there. When you put it in there, you intended to lose it. So let's get some more throwaway money. People gonna say, well, I ain't got money to throw away every day. Hey, I know nobody does. You're buying a solid asset, solid assets. That I'm picking. You know, I'm just telling you guys, right? When we go back up to $20 in CleanSpark, you're gonna wish that you bought more, right? I wouldn't go right now and think that I'm just gonna dump all my money in there because that'll be foolish because the market can very well go lower. That is an option, right? It's two options, and I'm gonna be right every time. The market gonna go up or down. I can say that every time, and it's gonna be right. If it go up, I'm right. If it go down, I'm right. You get it? To say I'm here, I'm just here. I'm here just on this rig but I'm here. What up, Jizzle the Great? Appreciate you pulling up, man. Yeah, this morning we got a major scare going on. People gonna be out of their minds. You guys gonna see some of the worst movement of the year. It's already here, and you're gonna see that today. And let's see how the market rebounds. Let's see how many people are smart enough to jump on this opportunity. If the market rebounds, if it goes lower, I'm gonna continue to buy. And that's what it is, man. And I'm gonna use throwaway money, little petty money. You know, like today, $250 went in the market, and I got what I. This is why I'm excited, because I wanted 10,000 of those XRP tokens, and I got them, and it cost me a couple $1,000. Oh shit! Excuse me, guys, man. I ain't mean to yawn in your ear like that. It cost me almost $6,000 to get those tokens, but I got them. They're mine in my custody. And let's see here. Let me see when I made this purchase. I can tell you exactly when I made this purchase. Um, I woke up. I didn't wake up. I was already up when I started paying attention to it. Um, there we go, right here. It was 46 cents. I bought it August 5th, 2:51 a.m. 46 cents. I'm looking at XRP. It's 47 cents, almost 48 cents. You see? You see that, guys? You see what I'm talking about? So that new money that I put in there just now is up. That new money, not the old money, but the new money, that $250 I just put in there is more than $250 now. It's like maybe 252 or 253. So I made a couple dollars on the money that I put in there at 3 o'clock this morning. Not the old money. The old money that's in there is definitely down. I'm getting smacked around right now, but I'm able to. This happened to me multiple times, guys. So I'm able to I understand exactly what's going on. This is why they tell you time in the market is better than timing the market, because the more time you spend in the market, these type of stuff happen, and you'll see this before. I bought a house out this market, right? I bought a car out this market. My son got a car out this market. The same market that do this type of dumb shit, right? It just make everybody mad, and that's when I like to take advantage. Um, that pandemic was the last time I seen something like this, and it's the truth. And it ended up being what, the best buying opportunity. So, what y'all doing in the chat, man? Super Dave still here. I want to know what platform to use for Bitcoin or stocks. So many apps to choose. What's the best one? Well, Super Dave, salute to you, big dog. It's a few different apps that you can use. The one I like to use is crypto.com, but Coinbase is also another reputable app. So one of those two. BNB is also a nice app. Look at that, 10,000 XRP looking real nice right there. I ain't worried about the money. Let me see. I'm gonna put the link to this crypto account, this crypto in here. Let me see. How do I put this link? I'm gonna copy the link and put it in the chat. Let me see if that works. But yeah, you want to say Al W, salute Biz. Appreciate you, big dog. Al W. Hey, I put I was looking at Double Speak. I got emojis. I guess the emojis got a load. I put emojis in there, and I put membership little things in there for all my members. So all the members gonna be having like little things like I guess they call it like icons, or how long you guys been a member to my channel. It's gonna take that little regular stock thing away, that little S, the little green blue little thing you guys got by your name. It's gonna take that away, and it's gonna be a custom little thing right there. I made them like crypto tokens. You guys will see it when it takes effect. I guess it has to process through YouTube. So once it take effect, I got that, and then I got some emojis like crypto, Bitcoin, and all that stuff that people going to be able to use. My members, all the members going to be able to use that stuff. Shout out to Double Speak for that because he kind of put me on the game to do that. So I appreciate that. All right, so let me see what I was doing. I was trying to um, put my link to this thing. All right. So what do I do? By clicking, you agreeing, blah blah blah. Copy. All right, copy that joint. I'm gonna try to post it in YouTube if YouTube let me do it. Let me see. I got you, big dog. I'm trying to help you right now with this link to this. Let me see if it works. Hell no, that ain't gonna work. Hell no. Let me take that out. Well, it doesn't matter if you guys use this link or not, but I use crypto.com is what I use. Let me see. Share, copy, try to paste this one in here, see if this works. Oh, it did post in there. Yeah, I don't know. Can you guys see the link of that? I don't know if you guys can see the link, but that's my link to the crypto.com. If you put money in it, it say sign up for crypto.com and we'll get $100 each. All right. So if you guys hit that link, it's saying that it'll give you $100 to give me $100. I don't know how that worked, but shit. If you give me $100 right now, you already know what time it is. I'm buying. But it's not about that with me. You guys don't have to use that link. You can look into Coinbase as well. I just have that, and I also have Webull. It's a stock platform that I use to do my stock trading. Like stock is with real companies. So let me go to this Webull and see if it allows me to do the same. Post a link in there for Webull. Let me see. Let me try this. Come on, man. It takes so long. Um, why is it not saying anything? Is this the referral? Yeah, refer a friend. There you go. Okay. So let me see. Copy. Let me see if it worked. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm trying. I guess that's the link to the Webull account. So that's the referral link to Webull. And Webull is where I buy my stocks and stuff at, and crypto.com is where I buy my cryptos at. Like I said, Coinbase is a good one, BNB is a good one, but those two are like they're harder to understand. And I use crypto.com, so anybody that signs up with crypto.com and they ask me how to navigate it, I can help you. Coinbase and BNB, especially BNB, man, if you don't know nothing about crypto and you get BNB, you're gonna be messed up. You're not gonna be able to navigate that thing. That thing is like advanced. It's for more advanced people that kind of know what they're doing already. Crypto.com is almost similar to Robinhood. Robinhood is another platform you can use to buy stock, but Robinhood doesn't. It's like more user friendly. Webull, however, has better charts and better updates and news reports and all that stuff. So that's why I like Webull, because I actually look at the charts to see. Remember, I was talking about that gravestone doji candle. These look like, so. Like I said, you show me the charts. I could tell you the news, what's gonna happen. I mean, not exactly what's gonna happen, but I could tell you it's gonna be some friction coming, and that's exactly what we see. They're gonna blame this on China raising interest rates, right? While America asleep, yeah, right. And that don't sit well with me. I think it's some games being played, but that's the game we're playing. They're trying to take your money. It said I had the screenshot. What's up, Bird Collins? Appreciate you pulling up, man. Thanks for all you guys' support. You said, and bro, I remember that live too. Which live you talking about? When I was saying I was down so much? Hmm. I was straight up. I was getting my ass smacked. No homo. I was getting my what? I was getting clicked. I was getting tore off. I was down and I was happy. I was like, yeah, let's go. So, I be talking about this stuff, understanding that these type of things can actually happen. Or you must be talking about that gravestone doji live when I was talking about that gravestone doji, and this shit is playing out. They using China as an excuse, but the chart was telling me 2 months ago that it was some turmoil in the chart, in the chart. Just by looking at the candlesticks, I could tell like it was getting overheated. The RSI was pumping to the max. It was all in the 90s. It ain't if it's that high, that means it's overbought. So I seen all of that stuff coming, but I didn't know that China would quote unquote raise interest rates, causing all of this. This doesn't make sense to me. Like it really doesn't. And I never understood how the market everything just sells off at one time. It's almost like somebody's playing games with you guys, with everybody's emotion, and that's just what I think. And they're using this interest rate hike to do this. This shouldn't be happening. You know, it shouldn't. Yep, the doji candle. You got the gravestone doji candle, and then you got the dragonfly doji candle. The dragonfly doji candle is the exact opposite of the gravestone doji. So when I see a dragonfly doji candle print, that means we going up. That's what that means. That means it signals the end of a downtrend and a reversal to the upside. And a gravestone doji is just what it says. It signals a reversal in the market to the downside. And that candle printed like 2 months ago on the 2 month chart. It was a gravestone doji candle on the 2 month chart. So I could tell that it would be a little turmoil in the market. Like I can't call the number and say, oh, it's going to this level, because I figured it would bounce at 55, but it took 55 out and it went to 51. So the next support zone on the chart is 48,000. So we could potentially drop to 48,000, but we might not, and I don't want to wait for that. If we do drop to 48,000, hopefully it happens in the next week so I can get paid again and buy some more of this shit. Like this is how my mind is working, and I want you guys to be comfortable. Be comfortable with what you're doing and understand. Like, okay, this is why he said this. This is why he's telling me to use throwaway money, because it makes sense. Because if you realize you lost the money already, you won't be worried about this day-to-day action. Let me go check this stock market and see if it's still getting smoked. Man, watch when the market open. If it's doing this in pre-market, boy, this gonna be a bloodbath today, boy. Shit. These people about to get scared. And I'm angry. I'm angry. The reason why is because I don't got no more money to buy. I put all my money in here. But at least I did get my goal accomplished. And greed is a sin. So God is giving me whatever. I can't believe this market is looking like this. This is crazy. This literally is crazy. Let me see what Clean Spark has. Clean spark. Oh my God, this shit is getting smoked. This shit is getting smoked. Clean spark is down 13% in pre-market. Mm, 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 mm. Um, this is one thing about stocks that you guys might not know. Let me tell you this too. If a stock goes down 10% in one day, the next day they put it on short sell restriction, which meaning they trying to stop the stock from dropping. Today I can see them signaling a circuit breaker in the market. You guys probably never seen that before, but all that is a circuit breaker. What that is um the stock market actually stopped trading for the day. They'll stop trading for a few hours, or hour or so. Basically telling everybody, yo, calm the fuck down, stop panicking. Like they do that every now and then, especially when the stock is going berserk. They might signal a circuit breaker to stop all trading within a particular company. Like say Apple, right? They had bad earnings or something. The stock just start tumbling like a motherfucker, just start rolling off the cliff. A circuit breaker would trigger and stop the actual thing from trading. And the same happens on the upside too. When them stocks start going berserk, going up, there, stop it. And I'm like, bro, why y'all messing up the money? But that's how you know the game is rigged. That's how you know the game is rigged. So I know you guys sleeping. You guys just waking up. Y'all barely in the bed. Barely getting out of bed. Probably listening to me getting ready to go to work. Um, Stay level headed, man. Don't let this right here mess you up. Just stay level headed. Remember this, man. When you get to getting scared, just remember this right here what Donald Trump said.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
Make sure you remember that, all right? It's crazy that I had to come on so early like this, but I seen it happening right now. I would have rather waited to go live when some more people wake up. Hopefully, you guys catch this replay. At least I was on it. I'm one of the first ones to even report about this. What's going on? I know the news media is they right on it like Johnny on the spot. I'm talking about like as a content creator. So stick to the script, man. Ownership is the key to wealth. Get your ownership up. Don't worry about the money. The money come to you. Stop worrying about the money. The reason why you fail a lot is because you worry about money. Don't worry about the money. Take your emotions out of it. Understand you're buying solid assets. Okay. These assets that you're buying are solid assets. They're not um bullshit assets. Okay. You got sales all across the board, so take that at your own risk. I'm talking about all across the board, down to Shiba Inu, bro. They all on sale right now, all of them. I look at this as a sale. Let me explain this to you. I like to use this analogy as well. When you go to Black Friday, right? When Black Friday comes around and you got everything is on sale, people run to the store to go buy that shit because it's on sale, right? The TV might be $200, clearing, sell. You go to buy the TV, that bitch sold out, right? No more TV, right? Does it make it any less of a TV because it's on sale? No. You take full advantage of that because it's TV is a TV, right? Whether it's $600 or because it's on sale for $200, you're going to take advantage of that opportunity, right? So look at this as Black Friday in the market. Pace yourself. Don't rush. Um, if you feel like you want to put a little, get your feet wet a little bit, that's fine. You know, just don't overdo it because I'm telling you, the market can still go down from here. Okay, I don't give a damn. I wanted my 10,000. I got my 10,000. You know what I'm saying? I got to my 10,000. Now I might be working on 15,000. They better not send his market lower. I'm just telling you right now. So if the market goes lower and I for some reason I'm not online and I'm not talking about it, understand that I'm looking at every corner for money. I'm looking for every money I got extra to put in here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be doing. That's why I came on here today to tell you. Oh, let me put this. See if I could show this so you guys know I ain't lying. Let me see here. It might not let me show it. No, I can't show my screen. Man, I need to be at home so I can show my screen. Yes, I definitely put $250 in here today. All right, and you'll be able to see if I could show this, and you'll be able to see. I have to go home to my computer to upload this stuff. You can see, wow, um, today I bought Saturday, August 3rd. I bought Sunday. That I right, look, Saturday, August 3rd, right? It was the last time I bought XRP. The time before that was July 7th, right? Because the market kept going up and I didn't want to buy it. On Saturday, August 3rd, I bought some at 56 cents, right? Now, today, I bought it 46 cents. So I got 10 cents cheaper per token, which gave me a lot more tokens. And I ended up buying a total of 430 plus 680 something tokens I got today, or 700, something like that. Maybe a little bit more. But I got my 10,000 right there. That should say where's that? 10,000 right on the dot. I think I made it do that on purpose. I counted and went to my. I know I did. That's what I did. I went to my calculator and I calculated how much tokens I needed to make it 10,000, and I bought it. I said, let me get that. Let me grab that real quick. If it go lower, oh well. You know, I got my 10 bands, my 10,000 XRP tokens, but I might have to get more. I know some people that have more than me. I watched this guy on YouTube. He got 100,000 XRP token. I'm mad at him. I'm like, bruh, I'm about to get, I'm gonna get close to you. But once again, you're dealing with millionaires. They have thousands of dollars to play with. So it said, I said, give me some of that motherfucker. Yup, yup. There you go, Ismail. Ismail, salute to you, bro. It said, I just bought some Solana, XRP, and OM. Good job, big dog. See, Ismail been in the game. He know what time it is. You know, he know what time it is. We not playing around. And like I said, for all my members, I got Ismail, I got emojis and all that stuff coming. I put it in today for YouTube. And I guess once they approve it, they'll put it on there. So I got it. Bolo, yes, sir. I believe. Yup. Yup. Hey, Bolo, I'm not playing, bruh. I definitely purchased. I definitely purchased. I put $250 today in XRP, and I got. He said, I said, give me some of that motherfucker. You damn right. So you guys are waking up, and it's a bloodbath early in the morning while everybody's sleeping. It's a bloodbath. Take advantage of it, guys. Don't get scared. Scared money don't make no money. Understand ownership is the key to wealth, and ownership beats price any day, right? So understand that. And the more you guys come here and listen to this channel, you're gonna see this in the future. This will repeat itself, right? The market will rise again, and then something else is gonna happen to crash it again. But pay attention to the bottom of the market. The bottom is always higher and higher and higher. These people gonna wake up telling you that the market is crashing, and you know, like I know, Bitcoin was at 17,000. So is it really crashing? Is it really crashing? That's something you need to ask yourself. Or are they trying to scare you out of your ownership? Right? Are they trying to scare you out of your ownership? Because how is it crashing when the bottom keeps getting higher and higher and higher? Explain that shit to me. People look at it the wrong way. It's crashing for the people that just bought it at 67,000. Those are the people that's losing their mind right now, right? So he said, I got more ETH than XRP. Bro, ETH, Cash Butterfly, ETH was on sale like a motherfucker. I seen ETH drop to 2100. I said, yo, Ethereum was just $3,000 the other day. It went to 2100. That's $900 discount. It sounds like a plan, don't it? For all the Ethereum holders. Hey, Cash Butterfly, Action, what's up? Appreciate you pulling up, man. Cash Butterfly, I got some emojis coming, and I got a Bitcoin one, I got Ethereum one. What else I put? I think I put Shiba Inu, a little Shiba Inu one. What else I put? I forgot, but I put them in there. I think I got an XRP one in there as well. Yep. Because I gotta get some more members in order to put some more emojis. But I want to put all the crypto tokens on there. That I think that'll be nice. Nice little touch. And I also got some membership badges too. So when you guys go through the how long you've been members, your badge, same like on KB channel and Dan D and them channel with them little badges. So that's on the way. Great job, man. Hey, Ishmael, I told you I'm gonna be here, man. I just happened to be up this morning and seen that, and I went live, man. I said, "Oh no, the people want to be scared as hell." I said, I gotta make sure they got their level head on, man. Make sure they understand this is not the end of the world. Make sure they understand this can be an opportunity for you, right? And don't overdo it because the market will and it can go lower. Okay, don't think it can't go lower. This is can't nobody time the bottom. This is why I do what I do. I put a little bit in there at a time, right? For times like this. And if you guys remember, I've been telling you that I've been putting money in my buying power. I haven't been buying nothing, waiting for this shit to happen. And look at what's happening. And now I deploy the capital. So I don't want to keep y'all all morning. I was trying to stay on long enough so more and more people could come in, because the more the time goes, people start to wake up, and people gonna be like, yo, what's going on? But hopefully could go back and watch this live, because I don't want people to lose their minds, man. And that's it, man. I want you to understand that you're buying an asset. Don't worry about what's going on in the world. And you gotta understand it can't be anything wrong with these assets because they all crashing. It's not like Ethereum did something wrong or they had a bad report and that's what making Ethereum crash alone. If that was the case, it would be something going on with that particular company that making it do that. When you look across the board and you see everything in the world going down, it's nothing to do with any of these assets. It's just logic. You use your logic. Everything is down. It's not one token in the market that's up right now. Everything is red. So it's something outside of the asset you're buying. It's nothing to do with XRP. It's nothing to do with Bitcoin. It's nothing to do with none of these assets. It's nothing to do with even the stock market. It's nothing to do with Amazon. It's nothing to do with none of them shits. Netflix, nothing. It's something going on outside of our control. The only thing I can control is how much ownership I can get. So other than that, that's it for me. I don't need nothing else. I don't need to know why. I don't need to know who. I don't need to know what. All I need to know is this shit is on sale and let me get some more. That's it for the low, right? With throwaway money, money that I don't need. I'm not gonna take my rent money and put it here. You got that? I mean, my mortgage. I'm not gonna put that money in here. I'm not gonna put my gas money in here. I'm not gonna put my kids' college fund in here. Hell no. That's risky. That's too risky. That could affect my real life, right? I'll put throwaway money in here. So, it's a bloodbath, yo. It's definitely a bloodbath, bro. It's a bloodbath, big time. So I gotta just give people a little understanding, man, and break it down to them the way that I can understand it. Now, I don't want them listening to Fox News and all this shit and going to look at business and all that shit because they're gonna be talking about all this microeconomics and all this bullshit when none of that matters. I'm just being straight real. Who cares why it went down? All I know is it's time for me to start buying. So it doesn't matter why it went down. It doesn't matter how it went down. I don't give a damn what happened to make the market go down. Okay. All I know is that it's for the low right now. It's for the low. So um Ismail said you're doing a great job. Bro, I'm trying, bro. I especially with people that don't understand this and they see these type of moves, this is exactly what scares people away from the market. This right here scares people away. They can't stomach seeing the money go down. Is the number one reason why people don't invest. I ain't got time for that. That market moves too funny. I'm like, yo, y'all need to understand that Warren Buffett just sold um $50 billion in AT&T. What you talking about? You don't want no money. Like, I'm like, bruh, do you know this man, Warren Buffett, been doing this shit his whole life? He done seen all these type of downward swings. And he ain't dealing with no thousands of dollars. He dealing with billions of dollars. So how do you think if he feel if I'm wake up this morning, I'm down $8,000 across crypto and stock, right? I'm down $8,000, 4,000 on each account, right? What do you think this man is down when he woke up this morning? When he wake up this morning, he probably down a couple $1 billion. Imagine that. But guess what he doing? Chilling. He like, oh, it's just the market moving. It's all right. Let me get some more. That's what rich people do, man. So the market will rebound, the market will recover, whether it's in a month from now or a year from now, it will recover. Okay. Keep your head up, man. Don't fall victim to this shit. And if it doesn't recover, that just gives you more time to add and get more ownership with throwaway money. All right. So with that being said, man, yeah, Ismail said he saw that. Yep. So with that being said, man, it's cheaper now, right? If anybody got any questions they want to put in the chat, we can talk about that. I ain't trying to hold y'all up. I know y'all gotta get up and get y'all day started and stuff. Certain people, some people, I think Ishmael is over there in Dubai, rich dude. I'm about to pull up on Ishmael one day, man, in Dubai, man. We about to be out there chilling. So salute to the chat. Salute to everybody here. Keep your head up. Don't let these markets sway you out of your ownership. Understand you're buying solid assets. All right. And one more time for the man in the back that didn't understand English when Donald Trump said this.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA it's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way. And that's what's going to happen.
Well, you heard it there. I remember those type of speeches on days like this. I remember that type of news on days like this. That's what keeps me grounded. While he was saying it, I wasn't buying nothing. But now the market is crashing and everybody forgot about that. They worried about what's going on now because we are emotional people, right? I remember what the hell he said. So shout out to y'all, man. Everybody in the chat. And salute to everybody that's here. Keep your head up, stay focused, level-headed, take the emotions out of it, use your logic, think with logic, stop chasing the money. Ownership brings money. You can't chase money with money and expect to do anything with it. You must have ownership, and you must have ownership in great assets with solid fundamentals, and that they will take care of you. Okay. Uh-oh. Well, all right, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. That's it, man. It's 5 in the morning. Turn up at East Coast time. You know what I'm saying? We got Richard Harper, money time. Salute to you, bro. Derek C79. Hey, Derek, man. I appreciate you, man. Real talk, man. You a good brother, man. You send me some more members over here, man. Salute to you. Hey, Derek. Put your cash app in here, man. I'm about to send you some Bitcoin, man. I appreciate you, bro. I'm about to send you some Bitcoin right now. You know what I'm saying? Cause you be on everybody's channel, you be donating, you see, you make sure everybody is taken care of, man. So somebody need to take care of you, bro. Put your cash app in here if you got one, man. If you got one, drop it in here, and I'm gonna send you like $10 in Bitcoin right now while the market is down. It'd be good for you, bro. And you can add to it if you want. Cause you came in here the other day and gifted some memberships and rolled out on me, man. I said, yo, where does Derek do that, man? I finally seen it. I was like, where he at, man? He needs somebody need to bless him, man. You know, and I want to be that guy, man. I want to help you out. So if you still ahead, put your cash app in here. What's up, Cutting Edge, man? We in here. Hey, Cutting Edge, we ain't good today, bro. The market crashing. Everybody getting scared like shit. And that's why I came on, because everybody getting scared, boy. We ain't good, boy. Shoot, man. We is not good right now, bro. The market is taking a nosedive. This is my favorite buying time. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth, guys. When the market was pumping, I was on here saying I ain't buying that shit. Y'all heard me loud and clear. I said I ain't buying that shit, boy. But right now, I'm buying that shit. You do what you want to do on your own risk. Understand I'm using throwaway money though. He said, damn, I seen that. We sure ain't good. Hey, but we is good though. Thumbnail lady just pulled up on me. Salute to you, Miss Thumbnail Lady. He said we not good in debt. No, hey, listen, man. Bitcoin, this is what scares the shit out of people. I'm just telling you. It's down 18% in a matter of hours. Right? People like, oh man, I'm scared of that. Listen here. Not I. I just woke up this morning. I spent more money. I said, shit, I wish I had some more money. You know, I could have round. Let me tell you what I got. I'll tell you what I got in my portfolio. If I was home, I would show this on the screen. I got 10,000 XRP, 100 million Shiba Inu. I'm gonna always keep 100 million Shiba Inu because if that shit hit a penny, I'm gonna be a millionaire. I got 2,200 bone token. That's kind of goes with my Shiba Inu. So I look at those as one play because if Shiba Inu go up, bone goes up. So I just use both of them. I got 5,000 Stellar tokens. and 5,000 H bar tokens. H bar, I should get some more because the price of H bar right now is 5 cents. Man, I wish I could show you this on the computer. If you guys look at this chart, it's already starting to recover. It's already starting to recover. But that doesn't mean it's going to continue to recover because what they call it dead cat bounce. These are terms that they use in the market. When the market come down, it bounces and then it goes up and it can go back down again. So don't get excited because you see the market going up because it very well can go right back down. But just stay calm, man. Stop worrying about today. Use throwaway money. You be all right. You be all right. Remember, I was down 9 grand, okay, at one point in the market on one company, $9,000 in the hole on paper. I kept buying. Right. Right now, I'm down 4,000 in crypto and 4,000 in the stock market. I'm down 8 grand this morning, and one night woke up $8,000 less, and I'm buying. You dig? The next time this market go up that high, I'm gonna be worth more than what it was the last time. I know that. So checkmate. Bears, we not good. Can I borrow some funds to super chat, broski? Yo, you funny as shit, yo. Yo, how to send you money to super chat me? Y'all funny as shit with that shit, man. That shit crazy, boy. I say what? No, man. I was asking them to just be quiet, man. Just please stop, man. They should have listened to me, man. But y'all stay safe, man. If anything else y'all want to talk about or something, or I don't know, y'all got any questions or anything like that? If not, man, we could get up out of here. I'm chilling. I'm sitting in here watching these people work. I've been here the whole time. I mean, you guys should see what I do for work, man. Y'all be man. I'm sitting on here with my feet, my shoes off. I'm sitting here chilling, waiting for these dudes to sign me out so I could go home. We had to do night work. I don't really like night work. I don't do night work that much. You know what I'm saying? But they had to do a highway, and you gotta do that at night. So this project was scheduled. So I'm out here, man. The good part about it is I get most of my day, the daytime, but it really don't make a difference because as soon as I get home, I'm gonna go to sleep. That's why y'all don't been seeing me in these chats in the daytime because I've been working at night. I'm on the night crew right now, so I'm opposite of mostly everybody. So while y'all going live, I be sleep. You know, I don't be really know what's going on and shit because I working at night right now. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, CX 2.0, bro, it's a bloodbath, bro. Everybody coming here, man. Listen, man, the market getting smoked right now. We getting smoked. I told you. In the bloodbath time, I like to buy that market when it's a bloodbath. You hear it? This is my favorite time right now. So CX 2.0, I know you rocking with me. Understand, man. I just put $250 in this market, man. I'm mad at this market. I don't know what else to do but throw money at it. I'm down 8 bands, man. This is killing me, man. I can't lose this money, man. I'm about to sell it all, man. Nah, that ain't how you do it. Yep. He said, I heard you and just saw it. Bro, we getting smoked. You see, look at what's happening. People are coming in here saying they're just seeing this. This happened while everybody was asleep, bro. This market starts getting smoking people every while we were asleep. So I'm using this as opportunity to add more ownership at cheaper prices. Simple as that with throwaway money. So that's the basic what I've been talking about all night. I've been basically saying the same thing over and over again, so people don't get nervous. Because as soon as they come in here and they see that shit, they're gonna be like, "What the hell? I thought you said You said, nah, nigga. You heard what I said. I said I wasn't buying that market when it was up that high. I definitely, y'all heard me say that. And now I'm saying I just bought some of this market. So it's must I ain't selling shit. Yeah, he said, all I see all red, bruh. Hey, CX, we getting tore off. Like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, is this real? Like, this ain't the this like the first time this type of bad day has happened since the pandemic. I swear. This is exactly what reminds me of the pit. You would think another outbreak broke out the way this market is acting today. But it's doing nothing but giving me more opportunity to buy, and it's giving all the rich people more opportunity to throw a lot of millions of dollars in here and get and come up. So, you guys take it with a grain of salt. Remember that TV that's in Walmart on sale on Black Friday, you're gonna run and knock somebody over to go get it. Remember that. This is Black Friday in the market. Black Friday right now. But hey man, CX, you could watch the replay if you want, but I just been saying the same thing over and over again, trying to get the people that's coming in to hear it. And you guys can watch the replay. Donald Trump said he laying out a plan for cryptocurrency. So crypto ain't going nowhere. And that's what I do know. And I realize in 10 years from now it's gonna be higher than what it is today. Time is your friend, man. So I'll holler at y'all, man. I'm about to get up out of here and take it easy. At least I brought my opinions to people in this crazy day that you guys are about to wake up and witness. Stay level headed. And no, I'm down 8,000 right now. Straight up. I'm down 8,000, 4,000 in the stock market and 4,000 in my crypto portfolio. So if I'm down, if you think you down money, just know I'm down money. And if I'm down money, oh, you best believe Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, all of them getting smoked. And they getting smoked to the tunes of millions of dollars. So my little 8 grand ain't talking about nothing. That's how I look at it. It's motherfucker with more money than me getting smoked worse than me. Yep. Don't panic, folks. Facts. This is it right here. Don't panic. Take it as opportunity, man. I've been waiting for this opportunity. Why would I get mad now? I've been saying I wanted the market to go down. Here we go. Let's get it. This is called a Black Swan event. For people that don't know, it's like event that nobody saw coming, and it just happened out of nowhere. So that's what we're looking at. So I'ma holla at y'all, man. Y'all can watch the replay if y'all want. But other than that, salute to the chat, salute to everybody. I'ma see y'all in the next live stream, and I'll holla at y'all. Peace out, Cavs Butterfly and CX and Super Dave, Ismail, Bolo, Cutting Edge. We out of here. Oh, and I got some emojis coming for all my members. Anybody that's members, they're gonna be able to use the emojis, and I got some little icons right there for how long you've been a member. It should hopefully YouTube let it load soon enough so the next time I go live, you'll see those memberships there. But let's go in the YouTube streets and laugh, because god damn it, y'all better turn up today. I wanna laugh looking at I don't even want to look at this shit no more. Like for real, man. Y'all better make me laugh today. But I holla at y'all, man. Salute.